Because what we know about cash is that there are 7 levers that you can push on if you want to improve. But the problem is you can't push on them independently. So if you just look at those 7 levers and say, well, how are we going to tweak them? We're only going to increase sales only by 1%. Gives me $100,000 on 10 million. If I decrease my cost of goods by 1%, that's $50,000. And if I decrease my G&A, right, that's 40. And what does that do to my net income? So I just found $190,000. What is that by month? About 15. So there's 15K just by doing that. And that is the power of 1. And this is an exercise that we highly, highly, highly encourage our folks to do at least once a year.